Hi, I'm Krishnendu from Department of Journalism. Today we are discussing about ad copy. Ad copy or advertising copy. So what is called advertising copy? Advertising copy refers to the text of a print, radio or television advertising message. So here we can see what is called an advertising copy. This is advertising copy. That is the text in the ad. These texts are called the ad copy. So where we place all the things that we will discuss in this presentation. So in the ad copy we have so many things to discuss. The first one is called the headline, a powerful headline. From this from this picture you can identify the headline. It will blow your mind away. This is the headline of this ad. The headline of the advertising copy is said to be the most important element because the headline attracts everyone. So headline have a powerful thing. The next one is subhead. In this copy you can identify the subheadline BK Super Service India. This subhead is important facts may have to be conveyed to the reader and it may require more space than what should be ideally used for the headline. So, subhead is also important as headline but not at all important as headline. Okay. Next one is called the body copy. The body copy refers to text in the advertisement which contains details regarding the functions of products and service. Functions or otherwise benefit of the product. These are called body copy. Here body copy is discussing this. And the next is called the slogan and logo. A slogan may refer, for instance, to the age of the advertiser's firm, meant for inclusion in every advertisement, and symbol of a company name, seal or trademark is called the logotype. So, this is the difference between slogan and logo. Slogan is the age of the advertiser's firm and logo is called the company name or seal. Okay, we can see in McDonald's and all, we have M. That is the logo of McDonald's. Next one is called the elements of ad copy. Next one is called the captions. Captions are the small units of type used with illustrations, coupons and special offers. So, as an example, we can tell that in some of the advertisement copy, we are giving some offers, 50% offer, 30% offer and all. That is called the captions. Next is called the blurb. Blurb or a balloon is a display arrangement where the word appear to be coming from the mouth of one of the characters illustrated in the advertisement. Here we can see a blurb. Okay, so blurb is the display arrangement. A word appear to be coming from the mouth of an character. The next element is called boxes and panels. Boxes or panels are captions placed in special display positions to get greater attention. So here we can see the boxes and panels. In this ad, we can see the boxes, that is meat and veggies, family friendly, quick and easy, calorie smart. These are all called boxes. So we can identify what are the main things in that ad copy. Next one is called the strapline or tagline. A strapline or tagline usually appears underneath the logo. So here we can see the logo, KitKat logo, and under it tells that have a break, have a day off. This is the tagline of KitKat. So these are all about advertising copy and the elements of ad copy. In elements of ad copy, we have headline. The main thing in an ad copy is called headline, subheadline, logo, tagline, captions, boxes and panels. Okay, so these are all about ad copy. Here we can see an exact advertising copy. Here we have a headline. We have small description about all the products in the advertisement, and we have a special offer here, and they also discuss about their new features here. So this is the main example or the exact example of an advertisement copy. Thank you.